Hey guys, good morning. How you doing today? I hope you're all doing excellent. Now, if you remember, in one of the last videos, I tried to fit the front bumper on the RX7 and I totally botched it up, cutting this bottom piece. Well, I got some good news for you. Thanks to an awesome subscriber, I'm going to get a donated replacement for the front bumper, and it's an S5. So I'm gonna saddle up, head on up to the Long Beach area to pick that up today. A little video for you while we do that. Hopefully we can meet him and take a look at his car too, because he's got a awesome looking Turbo 2 also. And yeah, then we'll bring that back and see what kind of condition it's in. It's going to be a lot better than this one is because of the damage I put it through, and honestly this bumper took a lot of repair anyway, so I'm hoping it's nice, but anything is better than this at this point. So I'm on the road. GPS says about an hour and a half. That's not too bad. So if anything interesting happens, we'll try to get it on camera, but otherwise I'll check in once we're there. Get a load of those. Did you guys see Chernobyl? It's a good series. So I just picked up the bumper. Really nice guy. I'm excited to meet him, and his car, he's working on his FC. It's a very similar story to mine. We're really close age, so I hope we'll be Rotary buddies moving forward. So he's building his car right now too. I can't wait to compare notes and see how things go, and it's always great to make another resource in the car community that you're a part of. Bumper's back here. I don't know if you can see it, but guys, it's in great condition. It needs to be cleaned up, but it's actually already the paint color that the rest of the car is going to be. So I'm excited because I can use the first one that I butchered as a guide, so that I can be better with this one, which is in much better condition for the fitment, and then I can just pop it up on there and get an idea of what it's going to look like. I will repaint it at some point to make sure that it has the same finish as the rest of the car and the clear coat looks good. For right now, it'll be a great piece to just slap on and see, how much more assembled the FC looks. So anyway, I'll catch up with you guys when we're back in San Diego. Oh my God! Not even in LA proper, but I'm on the 405. It's a Saturday morning still, and it's stop and go traffic. What is going on up here? Star Chernobyl looks like a big pair of boobs. Alright guys, so I'm back home. Got the bumper right here, and I want to show you what it looks like compared to the back bumper that I painted, because they're actually fairly close. So this part's in the sun right now, but you can see nice and finished. And here is the other bumper from our new good friend. So aside from it being a little dirty and some rust on it, it's in great condition, and I'm going to go ahead and clean this up right now in a quick time lapse, and we'll see how much closer it looks to that bumper. Alright guys, so here she is all cleaned up. Looks pretty darn good. There is a little bit of damage that was under that rust, or maybe license plate mount was here or sitting up against something, but this is pretty easy to fix, and the paint's in great condition, so I'll be able to just use the Scotch-Brite pad. Here and here he showed me that this is a little bent up, so I need to apply some heat and get that to stick back down. And unfortunately I can't throw it up on the FC to show you guys just yet, because I need to get this all clearanced out for the intercooler, which was the big disaster that happened last video. But here it is compared to the newly painted one, and to be honest, I could throw this right on and it would be cleaner than like 90% of the FCs out there. So this is pretty awesome. So let me just show you real quick what happened with the other bumper. So this is the back of the other bumper, and I cut this out way too aggressively. These crosshatch bars right here. So I didn't need to touch the bottom part of this lip. I just needed to remove those and get this clearanced out a little bit. And over here I went too aggressively. On these I did fine, just clearing these out for the intercooler piping to pass through. And perhaps in the future when I do this other one, I only need a clearance here and here for the pipes to pass through and even a tighter fit. So anyway, that's what we have for today. Alright guys, so I'm sorry to leave you with the short video for today, but I just wanted to give you a brief update about where we're at and really showcase this awesome bumper I got. Once again, Sherman, thank you. If you want to comment below, I'm happy to pin your comment if you want to leave anything for us to follow you on social media or anything you got going on, but I really appreciate it. So I can't thank you enough. Another brief update. Going to be a little sparse on the videos, unfortunately. Have a pretty busy social schedule coming up between me and my brother. It is wedding season, and we just got a lot of family stuff going on right now with people in town. We're going to try and keep them as consistent as possible. Please bear with us if content's a little slow. That being said, our next video we're going to try and put out when we have time is on the FC is going to be connecting the Haltech wiring harness. We've never done this before, as with most of the things on this build, so it should be interesting. I've been reading the manual, and I feel like we have a good shot of getting it going. Then after that, hopefully we can move into firing the car, getting it prime prep, ready to go. Just so you guys know, our overall goal is to bring the car to 7-stock in November. So if any of you guys following this content are going to be there, we hope to see you there with the More Garage FC build making its debut. As you know guys, please remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.